Conversion rate optimization, CRO, is a strategic process to boost the percentage of website visitors completing desired actions. It leverages data analysis, user psychology, and design principles to enhance user experience and maximize return on investment from existing traffic. By understanding user behavior, CRO transforms digital platforms into active revenue generators without increasing ad spend. Conversion rate optimization, CRO, enhances the percentage of visitors completing desired actions. It leverages data analysis, user psychology, and design to remove friction, maximizing existing traffic value. CRO transforms digital properties into active revenue generators by improving user experience and making data-driven decisions without increasing ad spend. The conversion rate optimization mindset emphasizes growth without increasing traffic. Traditional marketing often relies on more traffic, leading to higher costs and diminishing returns. In contrast, conversion rate optimization focuses on optimizing existing traffic, reducing acquisition costs, and building scalable growth. By understanding user behavior and removing conversion barriers, conversion rate optimization creates a sustainable growth engine. Understanding the distinction between micro and macro conversions is crucial for an effective conversion rate optimization strategy. Macro conversions are primary business goals like purchases or subscriptions. Micro conversions, such as newsletter signups or content downloads, are incremental steps leading to these goals. Optimizing micro conversions builds relationships and increases the likelihood of achieving macro conversions. Macro conversions are pivotal actions fulfilling business objectives, like purchases or subscriptions. E-commerce sites see completed purchases as macro conversions, while software-as-a-service companies focus on paid subscriptions. With typical conversion rates at 2.5%, optimizing these can triple revenue impact. Understanding user journeys and addressing objections are crucial for enhancing macro conversion rates and achieving a $42 return on investment per $1 invested. Micro conversions are crucial touchpoints in the user journey, indicating growing engagement and intent. Actions like email signups, content downloads, and video completions serve as stepping stones to macro conversions. By analyzing these, you can pinpoint where users disengage, allowing for targeted interventions to enhance the conversion path. Tracking both micro and macro conversions is crucial for a comprehensive understanding of user behavior. Micro conversions act as early indicators of potential issues, while macro conversions assess business impact. This dual approach fosters a feedback loop for continuous improvement, enabling problem diagnosis, nurturing through automation, and audience segmentation for targeted messaging. Forms are pivotal in conversion, yet they often hinder progress. Each field added heightens abandonment risk. Optimizing forms by reducing unnecessary fields can boost conversions by over 120%. Effective visual design with clear labels and logical flow, alongside progressive disclosure, ensures a seamless user experience, balancing information needs with user willingness. Form length directly impacts conversion rates. Short forms, with 1 to 3 fields, maximize conversions, while longer forms, like 6 to 8 fields, suit high-value offers. Audit each field. Is it essential now? Can it be deferred or inferred? Avoid unnecessary fields that sales teams might request just in case, as they can hinder conversions. Strategic field reduction involves categorizing fields as essential, valuable, or nice to have. Essential fields are crucial for conversion, like a shipping address. Valuable fields enhance personalization, but aren't mandatory. Nice to have fields are purely informational. Implement progressive profiling to gather data over time, ensuring minimal fields for first-time visitors and incremental details for returning users. Effective form design enhances completion rates through visual hierarchy, clear labeling, and logical field ordering. Top-aligned labels speed up completion, while inline validation reduces errors. Action-oriented call-to-action language, mobile optimization, progress indicators, and trust signals like privacy statements are crucial for user confidence and form success. The conversion rate optimization process is a structured, data-driven methodology. It involves collecting quantitative data and conducting user research to identify friction points. Develop testable hypotheses, prioritize by impact, and design experiments. Analyze results to extract insights and document findings. Implement successful patterns and iterate on new hypotheses for sustainable optimization. The research phase is crucial in conversion rate optimization, combining quantitative data like web analytics and heat maps with qualitative insights from user surveys and interviews. This dual approach uncovers user behavior and motivations, identifying friction points and opportunities for improvement. Understanding user experience helps pinpoint confusion, hesitation, and unmet information needs, guiding effective optimization strategies. A well-formed hypothesis bridges insight and action, articulating expected outcomes, rationale, and success metrics. Use a template. We believe change will result in impact because user insight. Prioritize hypotheses with frameworks like ICE or PIE to focus on high-impact opportunities. Example: reducing form fields boosts submissions due to user feedback on irrelevance. A/B testing is crucial for validating conversion rate optimization hypotheses by comparing a control, original, with a variant, changed experience. This method isolates the impact of changes, providing causal evidence. Key to success is ensuring adequate sample size, proper test duration, and statistical rigor. Avoid premature conclusions, and consider factors like seasonality and traffic source composition. Statistical significance is crucial in A/B testing to ensure results are genuine, not random. A 95% confidence level is standard, indicating only a 5% chance of error. Tests should detect at least a 5% lift over 2 out of 4 weeks. Sample size varies with conversion rates and expected lift. High traffic sites must avoid premature conclusions. Sustainable conversion rate. Optimization transcends individual A/B tests by adopting a strategic framework. Audience segmentation tailors messaging to diverse needs, while journey mapping reveals complete conversion paths. A clear value proposition at every touchpoint enhances clarity. Trust is built by addressing objections, and reducing friction eliminates unnecessary steps, ensuring a seamless customer experience. Effective conversion rate optimization harnesses psychological principles like scarcity, urgency, and social proof to drive conversions. Limited offers increase perceived value, while testimonials reduce risk. Authority builds trust through endorsements. Reciprocity encourages reciprocation by offering value first. Loss aversion motivates by framing benefits to avoid losses. Anchoring influences value perception through strategic pricing. The 2008 Obama campaign's conversion rate optimization success highlights the power of systematic testing. By experimenting with donation page elements, they achieved a 40.6% conversion increase, raising an extra $60 million. Key insights included using family photos for emotional connection and learn more, call to actions, to reduce perceived commitment. Even small improvements can lead to significant results. Booking.com exemplifies conversion rate optimization excellence with over 1,000 annual A/B tests, achieving a 25% conversion rate. Their tactics include scarcity messages, social proof, and urgency triggers, driving a 15% increase in mobile bookings. This relentless testing and optimization have solidified their dominance in online travel booking. Optimizely is a top-tier A/B testing platform, offering a visual editor, multivariate testing, and audience segmentation. Hotjar provides behavior analytics with heat maps and session recordings, ideal for understanding user friction. Google Optimize, with its free tier, integrates seamlessly with Google Analytics, making it perfect for budget-conscious users seeking hands-on testing experience. Enhance your conversion rate optimization tech stack with Google Analytics 4 for foundational insights, Amplitude for user journey analysis, and Full Story for session replays. For user research, leverage user testing for usability testing, Qualaroo for on-site feedback, and Winter for business-to-business message testing. Optimize testing with Visual Website Optimizer, A/B Tasty, and Unbounce, and improve forms using Typeform, FormStack, and Zuko Analytics. Avoid common conversion rate optimization mistakes to enhance your optimization efforts. Conduct thorough research before testing to ensure meaningful insights. Always reach statistical significance to avoid false positives. Analyze segments to uncover diverse user patterns. Tailor strategies to your unique audience instead of copying competitors. Prioritize mobile optimization and focus on impactful changes over minor tweaks. Building a CRO culture requires embedding optimization into your organization's DNA. Secure executive buy-in by showcasing ROI, foster cross-functional collaboration, and share knowledge to enhance intelligence. Maintain a testing roadmap, celebrate insights from all tests, and invest in continuous education to adapt as the field evolves. Mastering conversion rate. Optimization requires a disciplined process, user empathy, and systematic testing. Start by understanding users through analytics and interviews. Form strong hypotheses linked to conversion improvements. Conduct statistically valid experiments, document learnings, and scale successful strategies. Conversion rate optimization is an ongoing discipline, essential for sustainable competitive advantage in evolving markets.